Do you need to heat your paddle court? Here's the right solution for you. Choose AKY, the condensing boiler from Apen Group with water fan heaters, and you'll have your ideal climate. You can choose from a wide range of models from 34 to 100 kilowatts, according to the size and number of courts. Optimize the heat distribution within the structure by choosing one or more water fan heaters. Today, the latest version comes with electronic fans, saving on consumption and improving comfort. And who controls? SmartWeb, the smart control by Apen Group. SmartWeb acts as a chrono thermostat, always guaranteeing well-being within the structure. Now the players will be able to train in the optimal climate